안녕하세요. 추승진님. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Be healthy always.
And be safe.
건강하시고 잘 부탁드립니다. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요. To our education team leader, Chosungjin Timjangnim, wishing you a very happy birthday. Your dedication and leadership have been invaluable to Mactan Korea channel, and we are grateful for your guidance and support. May your special day filled with joy and stay healthy always, Chosungjin. Kamsahamnida. Again, happy birthday. And also to our beloved sponsor, Lilac Nim, happy birthday. Kamsahamnida. Bye-bye.
안녕하세요. 추승진님, happy birthday to you. We wish you good health, take care always, and enjoy your day. 감사합니다. Bye-bye.
추승진님, happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day and take care always. 감사합니다.
안녕하세요. To our education team leader, Chosungjin Timjangnim, happy birthday. May your special day filled with happiness and good fortune. Thank you so much for supporting us always. God bless you. Again, happy birthday. Bye-bye.
안녕하세요. Chosungjin Timjangnim. Happy birthday. I wish you good health always and more blessings to come. Thank you so much for your continuous support to Mactan Korea channel, especially to the education team. Thank you so much for supporting the teachers and the students. Thank you for everything you have done for the channel. We wish you good health always and more blessings. Happy birthday!
Okay, so annyeonghaseyo. We will share, distribute our cake, Panjibar cake. Okay, yummy.